crisis that's hitting southeast Queensland. The Deputy Premier promising a $200 million injection to Caboolture South into Castlebar, providing affordable housing.
Yeah.
Originally I thought he would have had something and he flicked it like that, but he might have just done
that
exactly
too.
the same thing.
Yeah.
But in mimicking it, I chose to do it this way so that it's slower, but it's far more controlled.
Yeah.
You know, that's, yeah.
Yeah,
I tried flicking it and I just couldn't get...
The line.
Actually, I wouldn't actually be surprised if you did exactly the same
Did that,
thing,
yeah.
tapping it.
Yeah.
It's very difficult to get that one and
That one.
and that one and that one.
If
off
you...
the foot.
Yeah,
So, I've got a few rules that I follow with making patterns and mimicking patterns. And the first one is to try to get consistent inconsistency, which is actually really tricky.
How do you do it?
I can't explain it.
Just not be too perfect.
Yeah.
Is that the...
Yeah,
loosen up enough to...
Yeah. Another one is, like, there's obviously a pattern, right? But
Yeah.
the second rule would be to never make it symmetrical. The third one would be to never do any horizontal or vertical lines. Because the eye,
lines them up quickly.
like if you tried to do them all the same, you wouldn't get them the same, and the eye would pick the pattern. And I wouldn't do any vertical or horizontal lines in any of the patterns because the eye picks that.
Yeah.
And then I guess keeping that consistent inconsistency is just making more odd shapes and even odd patterns. Like some of them I've left half a pattern here and there.
Yeah.
I mean, like this one's a good example here where I just threw it off center. And this one, these two patterns don't actually match up.
Don't become,
But then when you stand back, they just add enough different elements. So it's like looking at ripples in the ocean or something.
Yeah.
That they blend out, and you don't have anything to focus on.
Are there other patterns of a similar kind of style that you've done before? Like
No,
the wave one
only
you've done?
this. You know.
Yeah.
See that? Just like sometimes we call it a skip trail, where it can be put on with the edge of the trail.
Yeah.
Or this, it can be just a pressed Tyrolean or a dappling.
Yeah.
No, it's a funny phenomenon because the trail is like a plunger, and every time we trail it, we're weakening the thing, so we don't really want to. The best way to get render on is to throw it and leave it. You wouldn't think that. You always think
because you'd think you can like press it in.
It's actually both. Sometimes when we're trailing on this yesterday, we use a tiny trail and force it on.
Yeah.
But then like the building coat, I'll put on straight away after it. So, like say, that's called a scratch coat. Like say the scratch coat.
Yeah.
Or wet it, and the water actually pulls the render in.
Yeah.
Then we'll trail it on really hard, force it in.
Yeah.
And then when we want to put the next bit of render on, which is to above the profile when we cut it and float it and shape it, then we'll just trail it on and let it sit there and pull in itself.
Look at that.
I did this, but I just find this neutralises it a bit more.
Yeah.
These are those stones I was talking about. See how it's just
Yeah, it
rolled?
just causes it, yeah.
Obviously one would think, oh, you just press it off the trowel, but then if that was painted, that would stand out much more than up there, I think.
Yeah.
Because it would be so stark and almost reflective of the light. So I'll then let that bit dry up a bit. And if I go back and do this bit now, then I'll just soften it again. And if you have a look at these, they've actually got a little bit of Tyroleaning on them, like a little bit rough on the surfaces. Not so much that one, but then like this one, it's like the.
Yeah.
I don't know if they cast it. I don't know if they did the lines and then cast it afterwards. But I just started doing it that way, and I found the lines would like go off too quickly, and then my cast would land on top, and I couldn't press it all in and get the thing.
Yeah.
This is quite firm or quite dry now, and I'll just put a bit more on. And I just want a really light thing, a really light splatter over the whole lot. I don't even want to leave it there because it would stand out. It's a little too much.